Do you want to become a digital CEO? You started your career as a YouTuber creator. Later you had discovered that it is not so easy as they say. Do you always have the ambitions to create and lead a big channel to the top? Then you need to be a digital CEO. Yes, like that, you are the multi-use person of your own company. Yes, my friend, this is a business, like any other, so it's time to start thinking like CEO. Technology performance has become critical to business success. Here's how a CEO can focus the technology function on a channel's strategic priorities. What do you need to be your own channel company business CEO? Education. Know the tools. Check what others competitors are doing. Learn how to do correct SEO. Yes, SEO is very important if you doing right. Planning ahead. Creator's path. What do you want? Where you want to be. Channel characteristics. Choose a niche or whatever you want to call it. But concentrate on one single aspect, do not try to take the world by storm. Congratulations, you just launched your first channel business. Now you have a new title on your business, you are not a creator, you are not a video producers, you are not a scriptwriter, you are a CEO. You are the CEO of your own future. So what are you as a CEO? So, what is a CEO? A Chief Executive Officer (CEO) is the highest-ranking executive in a company. This is your company, and their primary responsibilities include making major corporate decisions, videos, strategies, SEO, managing the overall operations and resources of your channel company, and acting as the main point of communication between the board of directors, you, and corporate operations, you, for now. The world needs people like you. You are a founder, a creative, a dreamer, you are an entrepreneur. These are all great things, but don't get hung up on the title. You have a long road to run. Research keywords for tags, titles, and descriptions. Valuable keywords and tags boost rankings for your videos, playlists, and entire channel, giving you extra visibility in search results, more suggested views, and better subscriber conversion over time. Research relevant keywords and start working them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Planning ahead before. The way you tag videos can make a giant difference in your YouTube channel success. When you tag videos, your tags can help the YouTube algorithm sort your keywords, and consequently, your videos. Add keywords to your channel, too. In addition to adding tags and keywords to videos, don't forget about channel keywords, which are specific words that can make your video discoverable outside of YouTube. They help the algorithm determine which other channels and videos to use for recommending your videos. Optimize your channel and videos for watch time and audience retention. YouTube has ways you can tweak your channel to deliver a number of views it generates. Watch time, or audience retention, is the total amount of time in aggregate that viewers spend watching your videos. If your videos boost watch time, YouTube is more likely to promote your channel through recommended videos, which will result in more views. There are 4 things you can do to increase viewing to your channel. Structure playlists to drive a linear viewing experience. Creating playlists of your YouTube videos is a way to guide potential viewers toward a longer viewing experience where they watch more of your best content. Create a power playlist. Choose titles and thumbnails that accurately reflect your content. The titles and thumbnails of your videos impact your video views and rankings. They serve as the primary trigger for viewers to click and give preliminary insight into a video's content. Choosing the right combination of thumbnails and titles can help you improve your watch time. Use YouTube cards throughout your videos. You can use YouTube cards in a number of ways, but the best tactic for keeping viewers engaged is to use them to link to other content on your YouTube channel that viewers will likely be interested in. Create content based on YouTube keywords. Targeting YouTube keywords can help you get people to watch your videos instead of your competition. One way to identify keywords is to use YouTube's suggestions feature. Doing this right, more on that. In the YouTube search box, type in a word you know your audience is interested in and note YouTube's suggested searches. Ultimately, you want your channel, and your videos, to rank high in the YouTube algorithm. But to that, we have to do other things, not related to the about. We discuss that in another video. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.